Welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to study about image formation by concave mirror. This topic is under CBSE Standard 10 syllabus from the chapter Light, Reflection and Refraction. Earlier we have seen the difference between concave mirror, convex mirror and the reflection laws. All the videos you can check on my website, as well as I have given the link of all the videos in the description. So here our topic is image formation by concave mirror. So in this topic we will place object at different position and we will see that where we will get the image, what will be the size of image and what will be the nature of the image. So these three criteria we will check for each and every position. So first position is when we will keep the object at infinity. So here A and B is object and that we have kept at infinity. So from there all the rays, all the parallel rays are striking on the concave mirror and they are reflecting back. They are reflecting back. These mirrors are the reflection. So they are reflecting back and they are passing from the point F. Now what is point F? Point F is a focus point of concave mirror. So they are passing from the F. So we will get image at F. We will get image at F. Now what will be the size of image? The image will be highly diminished and point size. Then what will be the nature of the image? It will be real and inverted. It will be a point size image, so we cannot see it thoroughly or clearly, and it will be highly diminished. Then the image will be real and inverted. Inverted means upside down. So that is how the size of image and nature of the image will be when we are placing the object at infinity. At that time we will get the image at point F. Second position is beyond C. Not at infinity but beyond C. So when we are keeping the object beyond C, then these two rays are incident rays. That one ray is going towards this concave mirror over here at the edge, and another ray, incident ray, is going towards this edge. So they are reflecting from here. So these are the reflecting rays. And this ray, while it is going towards this edge, it is passing from the C. So earlier we have seen that wherever the incident ray is passing from the center of the curvature of the spherical mirror, at that time the path will remain same for incident ray and reflected ray. So the incident ray which is going and striking over here, it will come back along the same path. It will come back along the same path and again it will pass from the C. While it is passing from the C, this two ray will cross over here. This two ray will cross over here and here. In between this gap, we will get the image B dash and A dash. It is upside down and the position of the image is in between C, center of the curvature, and focus point of the concave mirror. So what has happened that when we are keeping object beyond C, so at that time we will get image in between center of curvature and focus point, and image will be diminished, real and inverted. So what will be the size of the image? It will be diminished, and nature of the image will be real and inverted. So that is how the two cases we have discussed, that when we are keeping the object at infinity and when we are keeping the object at beyond C. Third position for the object is at the C. So when we are keeping our object at C, at that time the image also we will get at the C. So this is our object, AB is an object, whereas B dash and A dash is our image. So this AB is our object, so that we have placed at C. So from here the ray will go, it will strike on the concave mirror and it will reflect it back over here. Another ray will go from here, it will strike on another extreme on the concave mirror, and then it will come back and it will cross the earlier reflected ray over here. So here all the rays are intersecting with each other. So here we will get our image. So when we are keeping the object at C point, at that time we will get image also at C point, but it will be inverted. It will be upside down. So that's why I have written here AB, but AB is an object, but the down I have written here B dash and A dash. That means this image is upside down and this is an image, and at the same point we are getting the image also. Now while these rays are reflecting and they are crossing each other, while doing so they are passing from the point F. They are passing from the point F. Now what will be the size of image? They both will be same. It will be same size as object. The size of object and size of the image will be same in this when we are keeping the object at point C. Then what will be the nature of the image? Then it will be real and inverted. It will be real and inverted. Then the next is between C and F. So slowly we are going towards the P point. Earlier we have seen that when we are keeping our object at infinity. At infinity we are keeping the object. Then we have seen beyond C. Then we have kept object beyond C. Then in the third case we have kept object at C. We have kept object at C. And in the fourth possibility we are keeping the object in between C and F. So here we are keeping the object in between C and F. So where we will get the image? So beyond C we will get the image. That if we are keeping object here, this is our object. In between C and F we are keeping the object. Then we will get image beyond C towards this side. Towards left hand side we will get the image, and it will be inverted. It will be inverted and it will be enlarged. So the size of the image will be bigger compared to our object. So the ray which is going from the image, it will strike and it will come back and they all will intersect over here beyond C. So this image we will get beyond C and the size of the image will be bigger than the object. Fifth position for the object is at F. F is a focus point of concave mirror. So at F when we are keeping our object, then we will get image at infinity. And image will be highly enlarged and the nature of the image will be real and inverted. So here at C point, we can see till C point, and till that point all the rays we are getting will be parallel. Once the rays are going and striking over the concave mirror and those rays are coming back, and those two rays will be parallel to each other. So they will go till the infinity and there we will get the image. The last position is between P and F here. In between P and F, here when we are keeping our object, then image we will get is at behind the mirror. So when we are keeping our object here, this is F point and this is P point. So in between P and F when we are keeping our object, we will get image behind the mirror and image will be enlarged. So size of the image will be bigger than the object and the image will be virtual and erect. So here when we are keeping it, the rays will go from here and it is coming back reflected. Here also one reflected ray we can see. But when we are extending those rays beyond mirror, when we are extending these rays behind the mirror, then we are getting the intersection of those rays. And at that point we will get our image. So when we are keeping between P and F, we will get the image behind the mirror. It will be enlarged, virtual and erect.